You're a continuous improvement in Lean Six Sigma Pro. You live inside process mapping, CTQs, FMEAs, and DMAICs. But let's be honest, creating everything from scratch? It's exhausting. Besides, your time is worth more. What if you could do in seconds what used to take you hours? Meet the SigmaGPT Prompt Kit, your unfair advantage in the world of process improvement. Not just a bunch of prompts. This is your AI-powered assistant, trained to speak DMAIC, Lean, and Kaizen like a master black belt. Even if you're just starting out. Want to do a capability analysis? Done. CTQ tree, FMEA table, control plan, you name it, the prompts are ready. Structured, clear, executive ready. Just open your prompt kit, whether it's the PDF or the Notion dashboard. Find the prompt you need, copy it, drop it right into your favorite AI tool, and modify the instructions between brackets to personalize your output. And that's it. Your expert output is ready in seconds. Running a Kaizen blitz next week? Use the workshop prompt and boom. Agenda, checklist, and plan. All in your style, in your words. Just faster. The kit comes in 3 levels. Core kit for the essentials, with prompts for DMAIC, Lean, root cause, and CTQs. Pro bundle that adds capability tools, calculators, and reports. And Elite package unlocks monthly updates, expert agents, and full access in Notion. Yes, in Notion. Beautiful, organized, powerful. Works with ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Copilot. You can use your favorite AI and get the same magic. SigmaGPT Prompt Kit is the right tool for you. Whether you're a black belt running high-stakes projects, a lean coach training frontline teams, or someone building a consulting business from scratch, this toolkit makes you faster, sharper, and more confident. You'll stop wasting time formatting. You'll start delivering value. And guess what? People notice. So, want to stop spending hours building documents and start delivering impact in minutes? Then pick your package, Core, Pro, or Elite, and download the SigmaGPT Prompt Kit now. Work smarter, deliver faster, become the go-to expert, all of this with AI at your side.